I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be right.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. We're doing a review on this beautiful wig, and I've never reviewed a wig this color before on my channel. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. This is actually my first collaboration with them, so welcome. Today we have installed a 26-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul. No one else will let you down.
Playing on my melody.
I did pluck this wig a bit off camera, mostly around here, my lazy method, because we ain't got time to pluck the entire head of hair. And lace braid, this is the one that I'm using, by Eben. Comment below what color this looks like to you, because this is technically gray, but it's giving me lilac. Let me know what color you're seeing with this wig, because I'm curious to know. I'm gonna come back when the other side is secured, but this is what she's looking like right now.
You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection.
When you guys are curling your baby hairs, do you curl under or over? Sometimes I do both, but most of the time I think I do under, like this. Just curious.
But bring you sorrow, so don't let me down.
I'm actually gonna go in with some Eco Style gel.
I give you my tomorrow, forever now.
That's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some powder. So I'm gonna use. It's looking really light. It probably is too light.
Wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long.
Yeah, that's definitely too light.
Attention and care, losing attention, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows.
This is pretty. Ooh, I wouldn't have thought to go for a color like this on a normal day, but it is fun. It's different.
Yeah, I can choose when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't Don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow.
We're here for it. Should we do a length check? Let's do a length check. 28 inches, you guys. It's running in at 28 inches. They definitely give you a couple inches extra, so we love that. Oh my goodness. Now, what I did for this install was nothing. I pretty much did a fresh out of the box install. I didn't use any ball cap on this wig. What was very interesting on this wig is that the cap underneath is made out of a blue cap. I've never seen that for any colored wig. I think it's just to hide the tracks so you don't see anything visible. But let me tell you, with this density 220%, you guys, you cannot see any tracks. I'm gonna show you guys the back of it. This is the back. Really pretty. Did clean up the part on this unit because I wanted to make her pop. I think it looks so cute. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.